Hey everyone, Jamie here, United Commercial Insurance. I wanted to provide you a little bit of information as to what you can expect when you're coming up for renewal on your commercial auto policy and what you can expect from us at UCI to help you get through that. Let's go into it. All right, so about 90 days from your policy expiration date, we will start working on your renewal. But you will know when it's coming up for your renewal because that is when you will get a flood of incoming calls, texts, emails from other insurance carriers, compliance companies asking to win over your business. I know that can be super frustrating, so please feel free to reach out to us and we can try to help alleviate those calls for you. There's no need to do shopping on your own. As us at UCI, we do that for you. So we will review your policy with your current carrier as well as shop all of our markets that we have within that state that you are associated in. We only work with A+ rated carriers, so if we are able to find another provider for you, we will not be placing you with someone who you would have issues getting loads with brokers or anything of that sort. There is quite a bit of information that we will need in order to work up that renewal quote for you. So we will be reaching out to you typically around 60 to 30 days prior to the renewal. It's a good idea to have your IFTA reports, MVRs, and then your filings, especially for your new entrant DOT audit. But we will need those IFTA reports. A lot of our carriers do review those just to assure that they are rating you accurately, depending on the states that you're traveling into rather than just through. So those are super important to have all 4 quarters. So if you do have those, please just go ahead and email them over to us. We will need them. And what you want to make sure you are getting completed prior to your renewal is getting a few DOT inspections that are reportable to the FMCSA. Having 2 inspections is better than having 0. Make sure you keep an eye on your maintenance of the vehicle, such as brakes, headlamps, and that stuff. That does impact your renewal. The claims, of course, will impact your renewal, your payment history. There's also state rate revisions that occur. Of course, that is not something that you can help. It's just up to the state and also the carrier, depending on the rates that they're having to fluctuate with. Another thing that does impact your renewal will be any policy changes made that term. If there was a vehicle addition, that will now be rated for a full year rather than prorated, so keep that in mind. As well as driver changes, any policy changes made that midterm can affect the renewal. But if you have good DOT inspection, good payment history, and no claims, then that you are looking at potential of a better rate for the renewal. As we know now, it's really hard to determine if rates will decrease for the first year. It kind of just depends on the state rate revisions. I know we're in a window of state rate revisions right now, so that can definitely impact. Another thing that I do want to provide you is always be prepared to make a down payment. If you're continuing with your current provider, they may not require a down payment, but if we do find another carrier that is offering a better rate, there will be a minimum of 25% down. So always be mindful and ready to submit a down payment to continue the policy for you. If you have any questions regarding your renewal, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help you. We want to assure that we're going to get you the best possible rate out there. We want to help you try to get the best possible rate as well. So you can reach out to any agent here at United Commercial Insurance. We're really happy to help you as we want to make sure we're providing the best service for you so you can continue your operations. Thanks so much for coming, and I hope you have an awesome day, awesome week. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for working with United Commercial Insurance.